In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on ThinkorSwim. So setting up alerts on ThinkorSwim or TOS helps you stay informed about price movements, technical indicators, and order executions without constantly monitoring charts. So first, open your ThinkorSwim platform. Unfortunately, I couldn't access the official website of ThinkorSwim platform or the official application due to restrictions, but I'm using the ThinkorSwim guest account as an example. So in here, you will see here the charts. So now, search for the stock, option, or future contract in symbol box if you're using the official UI of the ThinkorSwim platform. So now, click this create alert and make sure you are on the chart section. And then as you can see in here, you can choose from the mark and then about the above and below, and then you can adjust this number and so on. So once you're satisfied with your alert, you can click the submit button, and as you can see on the right side, you will see an alert or notification that you created successfully an alert here in ThinkorSwim. And that's it. That's how you set alerts on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.